Meaning of index finger.
Index finger.
Index finger.
Index finger.
Index finger. The index finger is the finger located next to the thumb on the hand. It is also known as the pointer finger or forefinger. The word index comes from the Latin word for forefinger. The index finger is typically the most dexterous and sensitive finger on the hand, and it is used for pointing, gesturing, and manipulating objects. In some cultures, it is also used for important gestures such as indicating direction or making a point during a conversation. Overall, the index finger plays an important role in human communication and dexterity.